Hello guys. I am really amazed with Stock Nation app. This app will help you with 30,000 plus stock footages for one time price, and they are also serving their existing 8,000 plus customers. So let me show you the app inside my computer screen, inside my live on screen video. So guys, as I was telling outside that this is an amazing app, let me show you the app from inside and let me tell you firstly that how this tool works. Then I will tell you additional all of the stuffs. Okay, so let me show you. The first thing that after just opening this tool, you will be looking this kind of stuffs, like the stock footages are really available inside the dashboard or inside the home place. Whatever you want to say, you can say. Next thing, you can search your categories like the nature, adventure, people, and also you can search any of your categories. Like if I want to search any Hindi stuffs, I can write Hindi here and search here. It is a pretty simple stuff. I think I don't have to get on this. I don't have to get in the detail of this thing. Okay, so next thing is the photos. So inside photos, you will be given the photos. This is also a very simple thing. That is why I was hesitating to show you the photo section. Okay, so this is a very simple thing also. Next thing is the video. Inside video, the footages are available. You were watching the footages inside the beginning section or inside the dashboard. This video was there, the premium video. This video also was there in the premium video. Next thing is the motion graphics. Inside motion graphic, let me show you. So inside motion graphics, the motions videos are there. This kind of videos really works as a background. Okay, so if you're working inside any musical stuffs, if you're working inside any sport content, you can easily get this background inside your videos. And you can also search like adventure inside the motion content. Your motion content video will be ready. So next thing is the music. So inside music, there are copyright free audios. So you can see here, these are the copyright free audios. Not only these audios are given, there are so many much more audios. You can click here animal, the audios will be given here. You can click here airport, the audios will be given here. And next thing is the music loops. So loop musics are really good thing for the high or long videos, like long duration videos, I want to say that. So inside long duration video, you can use these music tracks. Let me just play one of the music tracks inside this video. I want to show you that what is the quality of music. Though my speaker is not good, like I have exchanged my speaker, my previous speaker or sound system. So this is one of the music tracks. My previous speaker, I have gave to a person to repair that. So you can see here, this is one of the loop musics. I don't want to play it much more and waste your time. Next thing is the vectors. So vectors are the graphics, or the, you know better than me, I think, that this is an exact vector. And I have just known the vector after going through Pixabay, the Pixabay tool. So this is also a vector image. So there are so many vector images. Next thing is the illustration. Inside illustration, there are something that will illustrate you. This picture will describe you something, like this will describe you the experience, the rigidity, the boldness. Okay, so these are the illustrations. You can see here the emotions. This image is illustrating the emotions. And also next thing is the stickers. So inside this tool, you will be given all of the stuffs, from photos to videos to musics to vectors to illustration, then stickers. So these are the stickers also. The next thing is the favorites, your favorite stuffs like you liked, that will be appearing here. And the most amazing thing in the last section, like I want to say you, last but not the least, that is the image editor is given. And more than that, the background remover is given. So you don't have to worry anything. You can use the background removing stuff. Like if I want to remove any background inside this image, I think this will work. So this is now taking some time. It is now ready. Let me click on transparent image. So it is also processing, the image is also processing. You can see here it is still processing. After some time it will come let me just wait. Okay, I can't do anything basically. Let me just wait while it is processing. I can tell you the pricings of this tool while it is processing. It will cost you only $57 for the normal or the personal version, and for $67 you will be given the more licensed version or the commercial version. So it is still processing. I don't know why it is taking so much time, but it is still processing. Okay, so there is a 14 days no satisfaction money back guarantee, and believe me, inside just $57 or $67 you are getting 30,000 plus stuffs. Also they are serving 8,000 plus their existing customers, like this is the third launch, or that this is the third edition of this tool. The Stock Nation is really popular app, and they are serving properly. They are upgrading their stuffs. They are doing it a very good way, in a very good way. So it is still taking some time. So there are some transparent images you can see here. From here you can get the knowledge. And also let me show you, this is the video editor. So inside this video editor you can see here there are some videos that were existing, like these were previously edited. Okay, so let me click one of the videos to edit the videos. So this is the music section, and this is the normal video editing section. Like you can't edit here like Adobe Premiere Pro. Those are really high quality and premium app. They will charge you very much, but you can use this tool for simple editing, like the zooming, motion graphic, video library, everything is simply given. And also you can use this tool to create a new campaign. I was showing you a existing campaign, so you can create your new campaign also. So these are the demo videos. I have showed you already every steps. I think you can also depend on the demo videos. And also let me show you something amazing. Don't be disappointed. With this tool you will be given the bonuses, amazing bonuses from the vendor. These are the vendor bonuses: 10 done for you scripts, box shot with delivery URL, and also these are the URLs. And also the semi-exclusive bonuses. There are so many semi-exclusive bonuses, 8 semi-exclusive bonuses, like 100 done for you video background templates, Lit Sharer, latex pin code, and WP means WordPress Video Genie. And next thing is the general bonuses: the meme treasure, the beat sushi spy, the Insta IMG jacker. So there are 13 general bonuses. Okay, so this is not ending here. Let me show you inside the personal version. These qualities or these features are given. Inside the business version or the commercial version you will be given more stuffs, like 30,000 plus premium HD videos. And I will strongly recommend you to get the business version. You just have to pay one time. This is the most shocking thing. So this is the most shocking thing, sorry, I want to correct myself. So after that, these are the upsells. If you want to get the upsells, don't worry, I have also bonuses for the upsells, the mega bonuses. So let me show you the stuffs also. So these bonuses are coming with the front end, not with the upsells. So total 29 bonuses will be delivered to you directly in an automatic way inside the front end. And inside the vendor bonus, I have showed you this bonus, and this bonus is waiting for you, are waiting for you, or is waiting for you, whatever, as vendor bonus that will be coming you with this tool from the vendor. I can also give you that. And for the upsell bonus, 400 plus will be given to you as mega bonus. These are the stuffs. So this is the sales page of this tool, and from this exact sales page you can get the tool. And this is me, Chayan Sarkar. I wanna say you, this is a very good deal for anyone who want to work with stock footages and without any copywriting issue. Copywriting issue is a very big issue inside YouTube, inside any other platforms, also inside Google. The Google search engine also doesn't allow the copied thing or the copied stuff. So music section is a very good inside this tool, and also the stock footages are also good. So I wanna just end up the video. This is the best stock footages app for one-time price I have ever seen inside just some dollars, like $67. So have a good day. Thank you. Bye bye. And I hope everything is going good or little bit bad inside your life, because both are part of our life.